Hi guys, so in this video, we're going to cover how to launch an ad that verifies landing page views on your website. This is more like a better way for you to run a traffic ad campaign that sends people to your website. So now in this case, you're verifying those persons who actually made it to the website, who actually stayed on the website, all right? Then traffic only tracks how many persons clicked on the link that sends people to your website. But this one, we're going to show you how to track landing page views or how to set up a landing page views ad campaign on the Meta Ads Manager. All right. So usually you could do this under the traffic objective or even the sales objective. So we're going to show you how to do that in this particular video. So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exclusive contents like this, and visit the description section to access other related videos that will show you how to run profitable ads across different social media platforms, including Facebook and Instagram. So let's jump right straight in. So click on create. Next. So you can either do that from traffic or from sales. But let's use sales. Make sure you already have a pixel. All right. So we select sales objective, then click on continue. So the name, next, don't forget, here's the campaign level, ad set level, and ad level. We've made other videos that spoke about this extensively. So visit the description section to access those guides. All right, so let's update this name. We'll call it LP. So budget will be at set level. So don't forget, if your ad fall under financial products and services, employment, housing, social issues, election, or politics, make sure you indicate for special ads category. So you click on this drop down. If you're doing real estate, select this. If you fall under employment, select financial product or service, select this, or social issues, election, or politics, select this. But this is something different. So it doesn't fall under any of this. So we skip this. Then we'll click on next. Now we're going to go to the ad set level. Okay, so we can update this name. You could just call it 01. Just add 01. Okay, so customer life cycle strategy. So you could use any of these, either this one or this, but let's go with this. Next, conversion location. Make sure it's under website. Okay. There are other combination. You can do website but make sure it's under website. Click on this drop down, select only website. Next one is maximum number. So performance goal. This is where we are going to update it. All right. So we click here and we select maximum number of landing page views. So this is also the same thing you're going to do if you were using traffic objective. Okay. So we select this. All right, so maximum number of landing page views. That's good to go. Okay, standard dynamics. Okay. So we're going to do a small budget, let's say 150 Rand. This currency is in South African currency. Okay. So usually for this kind of creative, you could target your entire region, more like prioritizing using Advantage Plus. Or if you still want to target based on if you're working with data, you can also do targeting. For duration, so we're going to start instantly. So you can schedule and you can also set an end date. So let's say if you want your ad to start running tomorrow or next month, you can decide here, start date, under the start date and start time. And same thing, you can also let the system know when you want it to end by setting an end date and also an end time. But we're going to skip setting an end date. Okay, so for location, we want to target people in South Africa. So we're going to leave this. If you want to change your location, you edit your location. Okay, so the product we are selling is belly buster. Usually more ladies buy them. Okay, so let's assume if you want to target. Normally, I would have just clicked on skip and go to the next one. Okay, but I want to do a little targeting for this particular product. Okay, so we'll click on I need a specific audience. Sometimes you're going to see limit more. Okay, so I'm going to select this, then switch to a specific audience, then continue. Okay, so we want to target only ladies. So only women from age what? Let's say age 20 and above. Unmark this. So we want them to take this serious. It's not a suggestion. Age 20 and above. Okay, detailed targeting. Okay, so also take note of your audience size. So let's see, include people that are married. Let's see this, married. So we're gonna go for this. Okay, we'll just leave this. We're gonna work with this. We'll target people that, okay, let's say mothers, mom, house mom. So we could take house mom. Could also search for mothers directly or mother. Okay, this is enough. Okay, then we'll click on next. So take note for placement, if you want to target only Instagram or a particular platform, you click on show more settings under placement. Then you edit platform. But we're not going to do that in this video. We're going to target across Meta, including Facebook, Instagram, audience network, and threads, and so much more. So we just click on next. You could also explore brand safety and suitability. So just click on next. We're going to skip that for now. Okay, so we're going to call this new ad. Then we'll give it a number 01. So for this campaign, we're going to launch multiple ads under a single ad set. You could also do multiple ad sets under a single campaign. Yeah, we've covered this in other videos, but we're going to focus more on multiple ads under a single ad set. So this is new ad 01. Okay, so we're not doing any partnership ads. So we selected our page. If this is not the page you want to use, you click here to change the page. Same thing for the Instagram. You select the Instagram connected to the page you've selected. For Threads profile, if you don't have a Thread profile, just go for use Instagram account. If you activated WhatsApp, also select use this WhatsApp account. Okay. So now you can create this ad from scratch or use an existing post. We've made other videos where we covered how to create the ad from here. But for this one, we're going to focus on using existing posts. So post contents that have been posted either on Facebook or on Instagram. So we'll click on this drop down, then select use existing post. We're going to go and select an existing post right now. Okay. So click on select post. I'm going to use a video. I prefer video. So we're going to scroll and look for one of these videos that are performing so well. So let's use this one, then click on continue. So you can also watch a video here. So let's continue with the setup. Okay, you can also add the WhatsApp button if you want. So in order to encourage purchases on DMs. So we could do this. So let's click on add a WhatsApp button when they open the website. Yeah, you could use see details or learn more. Let's leave it as see details. Okay, so we'll click here. So let's edit this message. Hello, I would like to purchase. I would like to purchase. I would like to make it. I would like to make a purchase. Hello, I would like to make a purchase. So let's leave this. Then we'll click on save. Now we're supposed to add out. Don't forget, make sure you turn on your website pixel. Activate it. You must be tracking your web event in order for you to actually track landing page views. So we're going to scroll upwards. We have to add the website where we'll be sending people. So you can see websites URL required. So I'm going to paste it here. So this is the website we're sending people to. So this is the website we're sending people to. All right, so we are good to go. We can now launch this ad campaign. So we'll click on publish. If you have a functioning catalog, you could also turn that on. For this video, we're going to leave it. Okay. So our landing page views campaign has been launched. Now we're going to edit again. So you either click this edit or you click on this edit. Now we're going to set up the multiple ads under a single ad set. So we click on these three dots. Make sure it's in line with this ad. Then hit on duplicate. Just turn off all recommendation, then continue. So we're going to duplicate just 2 more. You could duplicate up to 10. Then you click on duplicate. So what this means is that all these ads will be using this budget. All right. And the system is going to optimize it, more like play around them and find the one that resonates best to people and prioritize it during delivery. So we're going to select this. Okay. So I'm going to edit the name to 2. Don't forget, you can also use your mobile, the Meta Ad Manager mobile app to easily manage what's going on. We're going to attach a video in the description section to guide you on how to do that. Okay, so everything here is good. So we're just going to change the post. So click on change post. We're going to select another video. So we could click X to remove this one. We'll look for another good video to use. Okay, so we can use this, then click on continue. Okay, so we activate the WhatsApp. You could also change this call to action to shop now if you want. So click here and select order now. Okay, let's use order now. Okay, so we set up the conversation just for those who may, message on WhatsApp. Hello, I would like to make a purchase. So click on save. Okay, so we scroll down. So make sure you're tracking your website tracker is on the pixel. You can also turn on offline events if you want. So once you're done with that, you click on preview and publish. So we're going to do the same thing for the third one. Okay, so you can also use this edit and also this one. But let's use this one. Then so we select this one now. So we've also made another video on how to run ads that drive sales. So just explore our playlist and other related videos. It will help you a lot to succeed with meta advertising. So we scroll down and change post. Scroll down. So we change post. Okay, you can also use this, then click on continue. So make sure your pixel is turned on. Then we go back to check every other thing. Okay. So the video is still processing, but you can still preview and publish. Okay, then we click on publish. Okay, so that's all in for this video. Do well to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more exclusive content like this. See you guys in our next video, and bye for now. Cheers.